Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again. So this is Cloud Institution. We are the best cloud training institution in Bangalore. Okay, so today in this video we're going to see the real-time interview question on AWS, which is find the resources created in AWS. Okay, so the actual question here is that how do you find all the resources that are created across different regions in AWS? Okay, so for example, so this is the common question which has been asked by so many students, so whoever I'm training. So the students, they used to be asking me that, sir, I wanted to know that, so what are the different resources are created in some kind of a multiple regions, because my account has been shared with multiple people during the demo classes, right? So some of the students during the demo sessions or during the classes, they don't have a AWS account. So for that, the different students will be able to share their IAM accounts to different people. So they used to create different resources like VMs, S3 buckets, and all this stuff. So now the owner of the account, he might not be knowing that what are the different resources that are created by different students. Okay, so this is very difficult for anybody to identify. They have to go to each and every regions and then finding it out each and every services. They have to see whether is there any kind of resources created it or not. So the globe and the answer for this question should be straightforward, that I want any kind of a dashboard wherein I wanted to find all the resources that are created in different regions. Okay, that's what the question is all about. Is there any way that we can do that now? So the answer for this question is going to be like AWS Global View. So AWS Global View is the feature that allows users to view and manage resources across multiple regions and accounts. Okay, so we're going to see what is the global view, and we are going to see that how to access global view. Okay, now I'm going back to my AWS console. Okay, so I have a different regions, right? I have so many regions like this, but I don't know how many regions I have created my resources, because this account has been shared by multiple trainers in my company. This is my office company account, for example. Okay, I just wanted to know that what are the different resources that has been created by different people, so that I can go and delete all those things. Okay, if you want to do that, if you want to know that particular feature, you have to go and type here as a global view. Okay, so there is a feature called global view over here. Okay, so the global view. Right. So as soon as you click on global view, so you'll be fetching the resources for all opted in regions. Okay. So there are 17 regions are there. Okay. So enable regions and instances, 5 instance in 4 regions are there. Okay. So this is something really strange, because I don't want any kind of a different regions should be having 5 instances to be available. Okay, I want to delete all these things, and you can see 17 VPC 17 in 17 regions, and subnets 54 in 17 regions. 54 subnets are created. Okay, so I don't want so many unwanted resources that has been created. I want to delete all these things. Now, as you can see here, the instances is a very major concern for me, that there are so many instances. If there are so many instances are running idle, so it consumes a lot of cost for me. For that, I have to delete all these things. Now I'm going to the one of the regions, that is AP South 1. I have one instance is running. Okay, so now I'm going to that particular region, AP South 1. I'm going to the region called AP South 1, which is Mumbai region. Okay, so well and good. So this is the Mumbai region, and I'm going to EC2. All right, I can see there is one instance is running. Okay, so this is not good, because I don't know who has created this one, so I want to delete this VM. Okay, maybe using some kind of IAM users or all this stuff, somebody might have been created. So I don't want this instance to be running, so I'm going to delete it, terminate it. Good. Now the next one is going to be, I wanted to see what are other regions that I have instances. Okay, so now I have EU North 1. I have two instances. EU North 1. Okay, I'm going to the another region called EU North 1, which is the here. Okay. Okay, so here I'm seeing that only one instance is running, but it's showing me two. Okay, but is it wrong? No. So because it's showing me that one instance is already been stopped state. Okay, it's showing me that all the other instances, whatever it is stopped or running or anything. Okay, so it's showing me like what are the instances are running. So now I'm going to delete this instance. This has been created for test. So the WordPress is created for the deploying the WordPress application purpose. Okay, so now I'm going to delete this VM. It's done. Now next I'm going to US East 1 and US East 2. Okay, I have two different instances running in two different regions. Okay, I'm going to US East 1 first. I'm seeing is there any instance running? Okay, demo VM is running. Okay, go and terminate it. Done. And then US East 2, I believe, if I'm not wrong. Sorry, I just went into home. Okay, so global view US East 2. Okay, so I'm going back to US East 2. Sorry, US East 2. Right, Hoyo. There is one instance is available. So that instance I'm going to see if I want to delete it. Okay, so now, so I don't see any instances US East 2, US East 2, US East 2. There is one instance running, but I don't know, like, that instance might have been deleted because if some of the times, if all the instances that are being deleted or terminated, okay, that instance also will be showing. So let's see if the instance is being still available in US East 2 or not. Otherwise, we can go and delete those instances. Okay, so I'm just refresh this page again. It's finding the resources again. Okay, so this is how you'll be finding all the resources in a single region. Not only the instances, we can just find all the subnets, VPC, security groups, and volumes. We have two volumes for each and every each VMs and internet gateways. Okay, so all these resources are created by you and by your team will be visible in this single portal. Okay, now it's been loaded. As you can see here, US East 2. Uh, um, okay, so US East 2. I don't see any kind of VMs. US. Um, okay, I think it's still loading. Okay, US East 2. I don't see any VMs is running. Okay, so this is all about the global view. Okay, so if you understand this concept, it will be very useful for you to save save the cost for your cloud account. Okay, so hope this video for really helpful, because using this feature, what you can do is you can save a lot of cost for your VMs to be able to so delete the resources on time. Okay, so now, so that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next video.